What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Marcus Doggball back with another video. And today I got another BB gun video for y'all. I've been going for a little minute. I know I say this every video, but I've been going for a little minute, but I'm back now. And we got another video. Today I'm gonna be doing like orange versus like, I don't know which BB gun I'm gonna use at, but I'm gonna be shooting at this orange with probably multiple, if not multiple, one of my BB guns that I got. But yeah, I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos y'all want to see next. And let's get into this video. Alright, so the gun I thought about shooting at it with is this gun right here. Y'all know about this gun already. I did a video on this, probably multiple videos, like 2 or 3. But yeah, we're gonna be using this gun. I'll probably throw another gun in now. I'll probably get another orange. It's like one of them small cuties. I don't know if y'all eat these or not, but they good. These like the sour oranges, the cuties, that's what they call. But yeah, I might do this one, and I might shoot this one too at the orange. I might get another cutie and like shoot both of these at them. So yeah, let's get to this video. We need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos y'all want to see next. And let's get to this video. Into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go follow my Instagram and my TikTok. Put my TikTok in the description and my Instagram in the description. And yeah, so yeah, go do that. And let's get to the video. Now, let's get to the video for real. I'm gonna like this. Y'all probably can't see. I'm gonna put it like that. Yeah, like that. I'm gonna put the cutie on top of it. I'm gonna be shooting at it from here. Let me get some BBs for these. I probably, it don't matter. I know I'm doing this in my room. It probably like, if it busts, it probably like go everywhere, but it's okay. It ain't even that serious. But let's load these guns up. We gonna load this one up first. We gonna be shooting this one first. So yeah, let's load this one up. Move that out the way. Y'all can see y'all right there in the mirror, but this bag be difficult to open up. Alright, so let's load this up. I didn't shoot this gun in a minute. Probably the last one. No, that's probably not the last one. Alright, see, look, I forgot how to load it. We gonna put, that was 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm gonna just put 5 up in there. We got it. We gonna put 5 up in this one right here. It's already one in there. Now I can see. I didn't even know that. That's 3, 4, 5. I think we probably need multiple oranges, cause these, I think they gonna like bust this like on the first shot probably. So yeah. Alright, so we ready? I'm gonna put this back some like right here so y'all can see. I'll probably put it another angle, probably in front, but for now I'm gonna put it right here. Alright, let's put these up. Alright, so let me put this gun back here because we're gonna be shooting this one first. Hopefully I can hit my shots, guys. I low-key don't want to do that. I don't want to hit my phone. I think I'm gonna hit every shot, so I don't want to hit my phone though. Should I do it this way? Cause I don't want to hit my phone. We're gonna do one shot, and if I miss, I ain't gonna do it this way. So, alright, it's ready. Now, I think I'm gonna miss and hit my phone. I think I'm gonna change the angle. Let's put the camera like, let's put it like, can we put it like over here or something? Hold on, I'm trying to like, cause I don't wanna hit my phone, and it be cracked. I think this okay. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, it ain't gonna hit my phone no more. Alright, so I probably gotta get low. I hit it. I hit it. Did it go in? It like went off the side. So y'all can see, I'm gonna put it in slow motion. But it didn't bust it. I thought it was gonna like go in. I think it popped somewhere over there on my bed. But let's put it back. Did it hit the computer? Good. How do we do it? Hold up. Let's do it this way. Yeah, we can do it this way. Let's do it that way. Alright, would that be good? Alright, y'all can see me. I gotta get low. That one went in. Y'all can really see that one went in though. That went in though. Y'all can see that one is in though. My aim is good, so I'm just put it back right here. Alright, this is the third shot. That one went in. That one went in. Here we go. This the fourth one, I think. Yeah, that's the fourth one. That one went in. Last one. Something went on my pant, my shorts. But look. It's at the bottom. Y'all can see it dropped. It just dropped. But it went out the bottom. I think it's something. We gonna cut that open. Like, yeah, we gonna cut this open. I think that's the last one. Let me see. Yeah, that's the last one. Yeah, that's the last one. So we're gonna get into the other gun. This one right here. We're gonna do this one. So yeah, let's shoot this. Should we do the same orange or get another one? Let's get a different orange. We're gonna get a different orange. So I'll be back. I'm gonna need a napkin and stuff. Alright, so we got another orange. Alright, so we got another orange. We gonna put this one on this paper towel. And the baby on the paper towel too. If I can get it off. Yeah, so we gonna put that right here. It failed. We just gonna put that like right here. We gonna put it right there. Leave that right there. We're gonna put the other one on there. This one, y'all see this one? This one look green and stuff. But we're gonna put this one right here. I will be back. Sorry for the little break. Well, I'm gonna cut it out, but I want to go eat, so yeah, that's why I stopped the video and paused it. But we finna finish. We finna finish with this gun. We ain't shoot the orange yet, but we finna shoot it now. So yeah, let's get to this video. Let's get it. I think I'm finna hit all my shots. Hold on. That went through. That one just shot. Hold on. Because I'm hitting these. I missed every shot. Did I? I can't tell. Alright, let's I'm missing every shot, I think. I knew they wasn't going through them like that. I think I'm hitting a cup. So y'all, I missed every shot with this gun. I don't know how, and I was hitting with the other gun, but I missed every shot with this gun. But I did hit something, and what I was hitting the whole time was the cup. Y'all can see it's broke right here a little bit. It's broke on that side. I didn't hit the orange, but I hit the cup. I thought it was going through, but it wasn't. I think it was hitting my computer screen too. I don't know if I want to retry that because I don't want to embarrass myself again like I just did, missing all my shots. So if y'all want a part 2 to this, put down in the comments a part 2 because I'm not finna finish this. And that's it for this video. I'm gonna need y'all to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment what videos y'all want to see next. And I am out.
Hustle all day, I count the money at night. Expecting them to change, so I wasn't surprised. Yeah.